Hi guys. What you doing?
Crash!
Oh no. Uh-oh. Here. Okay. Go. Oh, you found the gas tank. Okay, take him downtown. Go. Go on. There you go. Oh, the siren's going. Okay.
There we go. Get him.
And you're off.
Into the kitchen. Oh, good job, buddy. Way to steer. Good job, buddy.
Hi. Are you done? You done pushing? What do you think?